Hi guys, Mark here from SnapWireless. This is a quick unboxing and setup tutorial of our PowerPack Universal 5-in-1 travel power bank. This is truly the ultimate power pack that you'll never want to forget while you travel. The PowerPack Universal comes in midnight black and crisp white. Today I'll unbox the white. Upon receiving and unboxing the PowerPack Universal, the first thing you will see is the beautiful soft touch fabric travel pouch, which is complementary with all PowerPack Universals. Underneath, you'll see the list of key features, as well as the Get Started guide at the top here. Inside the travel pouch, you'll have a dedicated section for the power pack, as well as the universal plugs. Also on the side, you'll have a pouch for extra items you can store while you travel. Now let's take a closer look at the PowerPack Universal. Firstly, you'll see the beautiful square design with an integrated finger loop on one of the corners. At the top corner here, you will also see the USA plug, which just flicks out and is ready for use. We've also made sure to include a wide range of travel adapters, which include the Australian plug, an EU plug, and also a UK plug. For further details on which countries these plugs can be used in, check out our website. To fit the adapters, it's as simple as sliding the plug on just like this. On the front of the PowerPack Universal, you can see we have built in a USB-C port with 20-watt PD fast charge, which can charge most devices from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. We also have a USB-A port, which offers up to 22.5 watts fast charge. Lastly, on the front, we have the power button and the LED display, which shows how much juice is left. On the other side, we have also built in a lightning charging cable for Apple and also a USB-C charging cable for Android, as well as other universal devices. As always, we've incorporated a Qi wireless charging area here on the face, which can offer up to 10-watt fast wireless charging. Lastly, we have also incorporated a phone stand so you can charge and watch your favorite shows at the same time. Now with regards to the battery capacity, we've incorporated a 10,000 milliamp battery into the PowerPack Universal. Now as a point of reference, it can charge an iPhone 13 or a Samsung Galaxy S22 up to 2 full charges. Now when it comes to recharging the PowerPack Universal, it's super simple. All you have to do is plug it into power directly and it will automatically recharge. While it's plugged in, you can also charge up your devices at the same time, as we made sure to include pass-through charging. We have packed so much into the PowerPack Universal to make traveling an absolute breeze. You can charge almost any device with the PowerPack Universal, and you can even charge multiple devices at the same time. And there you have it, a full rundown on the many wonders of our PowerPack Universal. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer care team via our email, which is help@snapwireless.com.au.